Hi everybody, John Locke here, and well, I'm trying out some new camera angles today, and I've got this new lock, this Master Lock 130. It should be a pretty simple one, and so I'm going to try some out of the box picking today, so let's give it a try. Might be harder to get the lock out of the packaging than to get it picked. Yeah, so I wanted to try to get some locks that I just don't have on my pick list yet. I am keeping a whole list on my website. If you check it out, johnlockpicking.com, I have all the locks that I've picked there, so wanted to fill in some gaps. So this tensioner looks good, and let's try this guy. All right, let's give it a shot. Look like, I think that was 3. That's 2. Hard time. All right, let's try a reset here, and let's give it another shot. I'll lighten up my tension. All right, 2 failures. Let's go for number 3. Click on 2. Click on 1, okay? And a false set. And then we got the open. Wow, I was not expecting any spools in here, so that's a nice little surprise. But there we go, the Master 130 opened.